Hey people, look, got some radio mills. That's where I worked at the Davis Imperial Cleaners. So I'm going down the Google map. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see if it goes to my school. Hey, Kimball, going down Kimball now. Probably I'm gonna turn up in front of my school. There's a school bus right there. There's a school right there. Why? Up there. Shit, I think they was fixing it a little bit too. Up here at the train station. I wasn't taking the bus, I was taking Then when I got a car, and broke down at this next stop sign. Or this stop sign or the next stop sign. So it broke down right at the stop sign. They had to push it all the way up there to that. I had to push it up there to the bank. I think at this stop sign, bro. Well, this is 2000 street to 2018. And this was 1995. 1994. So they could have another street there or something. I think that's the street. Anyways. So 95, 94, 94, 95, 10, 23 years ago. Come on. Neće da snima. Mogu ja snimat pol sata. Anyways, that's about it. Mogu ja snimat